Ozawa's disciple. Kilala niyo ba si Maria Ozawa? Ngayon na dami namin katulong. Alright, so on to number 1. It's our one and punch. You got to explain. Face Mino, Aeon Brown, what's your title rule? That's right. Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. This is AUC Concert featuring Sud.